table level. Okay, so in most of the environment, what happen, customer will tell you, okay, this table is important, we require this table only to replicate. So we can specify that table name in extract file. Okay, same other example, extract eh password, get password, user id password. Maybe in this example we are not created wallet, so that's why we are using the password here. Here we are using only alias name. So means wallet contain the information about user and password we already discussed. So we can give the, if multiple home is located on particular server, so we need to specify the home location. Okay, same here, extract trail. Trail means trail file will be located in this location. So here table HR star means all table for HR schema will be replicated. So in the trail file, in the extract parameter, we can specify table level replication as well as schema level replication. Here is the schema level replication, or here is a table level. We have specify only two tables to be replicated on target. Same secondary, this is a secondary extract process that is called data pump. Secondary extract process that read from local trail and distribute that data to remote system. It allow a local trail on source system, which is useful for recovery if the network or target system fails. RMT host is used to identify name of IP address of the remote system and port that is being used. This configuration enhances the fault tolerance and reliability of trail overall. Okay, so these are the advantage of data pump. So data pump we can create in same way. Okay, trail or extract can be optionally compressed or encrypted. Okay, we can create same way. Primary extract and data pump we can create in same way. Okay, edit param, same. This is a data pump extract process name. Okay, we need to use the pass through only. Here is the remote host. So in the data pump, how you will identify this is a data pump parameter or normal extract process. So you can understand through the RMT host. So RMT host means remote host. So here we will give the target database name or manager port of target database, not source. We need to specify the manager port of target database. Okay. Then RMT trail file means